Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Andrea Agner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Ocampo, Seminary Edition, at ngayong araw po ay October 1, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay Sex and Theology at ano itong kasuklam-suklam sa Diyos. And yung scripture po natin ngayong araw is Leviticus 18. And yung sabi po dito sa ating concept na sex and perversion, God created sex to be pure, joyful, and life-giving, but sin corrupted it through lust, adultery, and immorality. The full disordered God design, turning intimacy into idolatry and selfish indulgence. Instead of reflecting covenant love, prevented sex enslaves the hearts and dishonors the body, which was meant to glorify God. And sabi po dito sa ating teaching number 1, the only valid sex is within marriage. Sabi po dito na yung sex talaga na tinutukoy ng ating Panginoong Diyos is valid lang to doon sa talagang nagkasal or within marriage. Dito sa ating scripture na Leviticus chapter 18, unlawful sexual relationship, the Lord said to Moses, "Speak to the Israelites and say to them, I am the Lord your God. You must not do as they do in Egypt, where you used to live, and you must not do as they do in the land of Canaan. When I am bringing you, do not follow their practices. You must obey my law and be careful to follow my decrees. I am the Lord your God. Keep my decrees and law, for the person who obeys them within live by them. I am the Lord. No one is to approach any close relative to have sexual relations, or I am the Lord." So, yan nga po do. So, wala pong close relative to have sexual relationship, only within marriage. And teaching number 2, the distortion of sex is called porneia. Sabi po dito na yan nga po yung distortion, yung parang sobrang nagiging mali na, nagiging sin na, imbes na binigay sa atin yung Panginoong Diyos na hindi siya killjoy, dapat na maging pure, joyful, and life-giving. But napunta dito dun sa sin corrupted. And teaching number 3, the Lord hates porneia and so we should be. Sabi po dito na yung porneia is hate po talaga ng ating Panginoong Diyos. So, kung hate natin Panginoong Diyos, dapat tayo din. And application number 1, free from every form of sexual immorality. Sabi po dito na alisin po natin sa life natin or sa ating sarili, na alisin natin yung mga sinful, corrupted na ginagawa ng mga makamundong gawa and about sexual immorality. And application number 2, fight temptation by refusing to negotiate. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin, na alisin natin yung temptation, yung fight ng temptation in our life, na nagre-refuse natin para gumawa tayo ng sin. And application number 3, fix your eyes on Christ and be busy. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa life natin, na dapat na ayusin natin yung eyes natin, ipokus natin sa ating Panginoong Diyos, at maging busy tayo sa mundong binigay niya sa atin. And then lang po ngayong araw. Maraming salamat. God bless.